The dream of wealth. It's within reach. Building wealth might seem like a distant dream, especially when you're starting from zero, but it's absolutely achievable. Countless individuals have done it before. You can do it too. It's not about luck or inheritance. It's about adopting the right mindset and strategies. This guide will show you how. It's about empowering yourself. It's about taking control of your financial future. This journey requires effort and dedication. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. There are no shortcuts to sustainable wealth. It demands patience and persistence. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But the rewards are well worth the effort. Imagine the freedom. Imagine the security. Imagine the possibilities. Financial independence isn't just about money. It's about living life on your own terms. It's about having the resources to pursue your passions. It's about providing for your loved ones. It's about making a difference in the world. Wealth creation is a powerful tool. This guide is designed to be your roadmap. It will provide practical advice and actionable steps. It will help you navigate the complexities of personal finance. It will empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey. Get ready to build your wealth from the ground up. Building wealth starts with your mindset. Your beliefs about money shape your actions. A positive and proactive mindset is essential. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Focus on abundance, not scarcity. Financial literacy is equally important. Educate yourself about personal finance. Understand the basics of budgeting, saving, and investing. Read books, attend seminars, and follow financial experts. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with the tools to succeed. Embrace lifelong learning. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. Stay updated on new trends and strategies. Be open to new ideas and approaches. Continuously seek to improve your financial knowledge workshop. This will empower you to make informed decisions. Cultivate a growth mindset. View challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to take calculated risks. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Persistence is key. With the right mindset, anything is possible. Budgeting is the foundation of wealth building. It allows you to track your income and expenses. It helps you identify areas where you can save. Create a realistic budget that aligns with your goals. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to simplify the process. Saving is crucial for accumulating wealth. Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income each month. Automate your savings to make it consistent. Even small amounts add up over time. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Explore different saving strategies. Consider opening a high-yield savings account. Look into certificates of deposit. Research money market accounts. Choose the options that best suit your needs and goals. Maximize your returns. Make saving a habit. Incorporate it into your daily routine. Track your progress and celebrate your milestones. Visualize your financial goals. This will keep you motivated and focused. Saving is the first step towards financial freedom. Increasing your income accelerates wealth building. Explore different avenues to generate more money. Consider starting a side hustle. Turn your hobbies or skills into a source of income. Freelance, consult, or offer services online. Explore the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit offer flexible earning opportunities. Utilize your spare time to earn extra cash. These platforms provide access to a wide range of gigs. Choose the ones that fit your schedule and interests. Consider starting a small business. Identify a market need and develop a product or service. Research your target audience and create a business plan. Starting a business can be challenging but rewarding. It offers the potential for significant financial growth. Invest in your skills and education. Acquire new knowledge and expertise that can increase your earning potential. take online courses, attend workshops, or pursue further education. Investing in yourself is an investment in your future. Section 5. Conquering debt. Taking control of your finances. Debt can hinder your wealth-building journey. Develop a strategy to manage and reduce your debt. Prioritize high-interest debts first. Consider the debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Choose the approach that works best for you. Negotiate with creditors. Contact your credit card companies or lenders. Explore options for lower interest rates or payment plans. Many creditors are willing to work with you. Taking proactive steps can save you money. Consolidate your debt. Combine multiple debts into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can simplify your payments and save you money on interest. Explore different debt consolidation options. Choose the one that aligns with your financial situation. Create a debt repayment plan. Set realistic goals and track your progress. Visualize becoming debt-free. Celebrate your milestones along the way. Staying motivated is crucial. Conquering debt is a significant step towards financial freedom. Section 6. The power of investing. Early bird gets the worm. Investing is essential for building long-term wealth. Start investing early, even with small amounts. The power of compounding works wonders over time. Your money grows exponentially. Early investing maximizes your returns. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. Consider stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. Diversification mitigates risk. Research different investment options. Understand the risks and potential returns of each investment. Consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. Consult with a financial advisor if needed. Make informed investment decisions. Explore low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. These funds offer diversification and low expense ratios. They are a great option for beginners. They provide exposure to a broad range of investments. They simplify the investment process. Section 7. Staying the course. Maintaining financial discipline. Maintaining financial discipline is crucial for long-term success. Stick to your budget and savings plan. Avoid impulsive spending. Track your progress regularly. Review your financial goals periodically. Stay focused on your long-term vision. Stay informed about financial matters. Read books, articles, and blogs about personal finance. Attend seminars and workshops. Follow financial experts. Continuously educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Seek support and guidance. Join online communities or forums. Connect with like-minded individuals. Share your experiences and learn from others. Building a support system can help you stay motivated. Celebrate your achievements. Acknowledge your progress along the way. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. This will keep you motivated and inspired. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Section 8. Reaping the rewards. Financial independence and beyond. Financial independence offers tremendous rewards. It provides freedom and flexibility. It allows you to pursue your passions. It empowers you to make a difference in the world. It creates a sense of security and peace of mind. Imagine living life on your own terms. Imagine having the resources to travel, pursue hobbies, or start a business. Imagine being able to support your loved ones and give back to your community. Financial independence opens up a world of possibilities. Financial independence is not just about money. It's about living a fulfilling and meaningful life. It's about having the time and resources to do what you love. It's about creating a positive impact on the world. Beyond financial independence lies the opportunity to build generational wealth. Create a legacy for your children and grandchildren. Empower them to achieve their dreams. Generational wealth creates a lasting impact. Section 9. Your journey to wealth. A final thought. Building wealth from zero is a journey. It requires effort, dedication, and persistence. But it's absolutely achievable. With the right mindset, strategies, and tools, you can create the financial future you desire. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. The rewards are well worth the effort.